Hi friends, how are you? Are you completed the chapter Birds and Their Nest? If yes, then solve this test with me. This is Science Revision Test 4, full mark 20. I already completed up to Revision Test 3. If you want to see it, then go to the playlist. If you are new in this channel, then you can subscribe for more. So, let's start the video. First is filling the blanks. First question, birds fly and float in dash. Friends, the correct answer is air. Now, B number. Birds lay their eggs in dash and hatch them. The correct answer is nest. Second, write true or false. A number. A crow built its nest on topmost of the branches. This question is true. Beaks and claws help the birds to catch their food and build its nest. This is also true. The sunbird does not make any nest of own. This is false. Now, answer the following question. Define aerial animals. Friends, animals which fly in the air are called aerial animals. Example, crow and sparrow. Next is April is the busy month of birds. Justify your answer. Friends, April is busy month of birds because they make their nest in this month. April is the busy month of birds because they make nest in this month. How do beak and claw help a bird? Beak and claw help a bird to catch their food and to build nest. Next question. Why birds need to migrate to other countries? In the original place of birds in winter, they do not get sufficient type of food. So they come to India, and when summer starts, they go to their original place. Now, answer the following questions briefly. What do you mean by migration of birds? Name two migratory birds. Friends, we mean by migration of birds means birds go to one place from another is called migration of birds. Example: painted stork, rosy pelican. Next, which is the world's smallest bird? The correct answer is hummingbird. The hummingbird is world's smallest bird. It is only 5 centimeters. Next, which is the largest bird? The world's largest bird is ostrich. It grows up to 2.5 meters. Next, which type of bones and body does birds have? Hollow type bones and pointed, sharp, boat-shaped type of body birds have. Now the video has completed. Comment your score. Thank you.